Why do you build me up? Buttercup, baby, just to let me down and mess me around, and the worst of all.
What is going on, guys? I am back with a blog reaction, and tonight I will be reacting to a blog that California's Great America has posted updating us on South Bay Shores Water Park, which is opening this year. And so, anyways, why not just get reading, my dudes? 8 cool South Bay Shores construction photos. You guys, summer is right around the corner. Wow, that feels good to say. That means that California's Great America is officially set to full speed ahead as we prep South Bay Shores Water Park for its grand opening later this year. Let's take an equally speedy look at the latest construction updates from within South Bay Shores. Our crews have been hard at work over the past few days pouring new walkways in front of Pacific Surge. They're also building new paths that will make the water park midway into a complete loop for the first time in its history. That means pouring concrete along the side of Coastal Cruise, behind Tide Pool, past Pacific Surge, and back to Breakers Bay Wave Pool. All of that translates to a more easily navigable water park for you. Wow. Complex looks cool. Oh. Looks like they're constructing a splash pool still. Over at Tide Pool, our construction crews are starting work on the pool floor and are getting it ready to be filled with water in the coming weeks. Whoa. And in the next few days, crews will shift focus to filling in the decorative landscape details between each new slide. I've heard there will be a mix of native plants and architectural features that will instantly say South Bay tucked into every corner of the new water park, including between these 8 miniature water slides. Wow. Love all the palm trees. The palm trees. One of the most exciting aspects of South Bay Shores is all the creature comforts that are being added. We're increasing the number of chairs and lounge areas throughout the water park, and we're also building truly massive shade structures in areas where our guests love to lounge. Here, you can see some of the new support poles for the shade structure behind Breakers Bay Wave Pool. We see you saying hi in the background, Pacific Surge. This same type of shade structure is being installed at Tide Pool, Otter Trotter, and Pups Pier. Another super cool thing about South Bay Shores is that even though it's going to be a completely new water park with 7 new water attractions, 2 new restaurants, new shops, new landscaping, new theming, and more, it will still have every old favorite from Boomerang Bay, just with an entirely new look and feel. The wave pool, lazy river, massive slides, and chill hangout spots are all still here, and they'll be even better than before when they're back as part of South Bay Shores. Stay tuned over the coming weeks and months as we prep for our grand opening. We'll be taking you into the new Pier 76 Cafe restaurant, showing off the landscape installation, talking to our creative planning team, and more. Stay safe and healthy, and we'll see you on the Midway soon. Oh, man. Oh, man. And so, anyways, that concludes my blog reaction to the blog California's Great America just posted, updating us on South Bay Shores. Reply to me your thoughts on this video, and make sure to stay tuned for a lot more coming soon to Coaster Plus Music 19. And, of course, make sure to check out my merch store on Bonfire that I have made this past summer. I'll have a link in the description, so go check it out. I have all sorts of stuff like face masks and t-shirts and mugs and tote bags and all that stuff. So make sure you buy yourself a couple things after this video, and I will see you in the next.